What's up, y'all? We're going in and making some smothered rib tips. So I'm going in with my extra virgin olive oil, garlic powder, onion powder. I'm also going in with coarse ground black pepper and some Zatarain's red pepper. That's the only red pepper I recommend. That's Tony Chachere's garlic and spice. And then you're just going to mix everything up really, really well. Now, in your pot, you're going to go in with the same EVOO, and you're going to put about that much in your pot. You want to make sure the oil gets hot, and you're going to lay your meat down. I always do the meat side first as opposed to the bone side, and you're just going to let that cook, and you want to create that golden crust that you see on there. Once you get it on one side, you're going to flip it and let it cook on the other side. After that, you're going to take the meat out, and then if you have to, go ahead and add in more oil, and then you're going to go in with your next round of meat, and you're going to repeat this and do the same thing. As you can see, you want to get that crust on it. That's very important. Now we're going in with a seasoned blend, your Holy Trinity, as well as what I would consider the Pope or the Bishop. I'll say the Bishop because garlic is the Pope. So that is a mixture of spices like jalapeno peppers and stuff like that. And now I'm going in with garlic to make our gravy. As you can see, it just picks up those bits that the meat cooked in. And then we're going to go in with Tony Chachere's gravy mix right now. And you're going to put about that much. You're eyeballing. We don't know exact measurements. And you want it to look like this, right? And then you're going to smash it in, smash it down, add more as needed because you do want your gravy to thicken. Now, I go in with hot boiling water, but you can go in with warm water. And that right there is the key to your gravy. You want to put a bouillon cube as well as chicken bouillon flavoring, and then the better than bouillon seasoning. I know it sounds like a lot, but it works. And then I'm gonna go in with those same seasonings you've seen in the beginning to season your gravy, because you want to season at every step. You can't just do it once and think it's done. Nope. Now you're going to add back in all of your meat and all of the juices that came out of the meat. You're going to stir it around, put it to the side, cover it up, and you're going to let it cook at least 45 minutes to an hour before you check it. I went in, put in some red pepper flakes, and let you see the consistency of the gravy. Now we're just checking again. I'm poking the meat, trying to see if it's ready. And if you can't cut it with a soft spoon, it's not ready yet. You want to let it cook for about an hour and a half or 2 hours. And once it's soft enough and your gravy is thick enough, it's ready to go. I served this with smothered okra. Come back to see that video next.